located in Taizhou, a beautiful coastal city of Zhejiang. Goshippro is established in 2070 by Mr. Aliexpress. Our mission is to make it easy to do dropshipping anywhere. We provide professional one-stop service for dropshippers. Our sales team, procurement team, IT team, and other departments are always ready to serve you. Running 2 warehouses in China, we can process over 20,000 to 30,000 orders per day. More warehouses in different countries are on the way. The product quality is highly guaranteed with our strict quality inspection department. In this video, our inspector is checking the package, including the quality, quantity, style, etc. If the product is the right one, we will paste the exclusive barcode and categorized in our storage section so that products can be easily found when it is packaged and shipped later. We have helped thousands of clients scale their business. More and more clients introduce their friends to use our service. We are proud of it. Besides, we can provide POD and custom packaging to improve your brand recognition. Take the jewelry packaging for example. The customer customized a beautiful box, product manual, and the bag specifically for his jewelry. This way, our client gets more orders. We are young, but we are very enthusiastic about work. We have rich experience in dropshipping and a complete system to fulfill your orders. We also have shortcomings, but we will continue to improve our services and hope to contribute to the development of the global economy. In Goshippro, let's connect and carry on this amazing journey.